for long enough. And now that I know you, I need you to come over. I've been waiting for a taste of love. I need you to know me. Ooh, baby, come over. I think we've been friends for long enough. And now that I know you, I need you to come over. I've been waiting for a taste of love. I need you to know me. Ooh, baby, come over. Would I turn you up, leaving myself bare? Truth is the way I feel. I don't care. I don't want to be your friend. In other words, it's all or nothing. Bring it here. Ooh. Oh. And now that I know you, I need you to come over, come over, come over, baby. Said I've been waiting. Need you to know me. So come over, come over, come over. Would I turn you up, leaving myself bare? Truth is the way I feel. I don't care. I don't want to be your friend. In other words, it's all or nothing. Bring it here. Ooh. Now that I know you, I need you to come over, come over, come over, baby. Said I've been waiting for you to come on over, come on, come over, come over, come over, yeah. Give me a chance, baby, and we can make some love and remain. Come on, Johnny. Would I turn you up, leaving myself bare? Truth is the way I feel. I don't care. I don't want to be your friend. In other words, it's all or nothing. Ooh, bring it here. Would I turn you on, leaving myself bare? Truth is the way I feel. I don't care. I don't want to be your friend. In other words, it's all or nothing. Bring it here. I think we've been friends for long enough. Ooh, oh. Said I've been waiting for a taste of love, yeah. Ba-da-ba-ba. Woo. Hey. Holland, how you doing? We're so excited to be back in Holland, like we never left. We hope you love this song called We're Here for the Party. And we are New Frequency. Drink out all the champagne. We came up since the last time we got together. Hey, it ain't nothing but the thing. You don't have to spend the damn time, 'cause it's been forever. We're here for the party. We're gonna be up all night. We're here for the party. We're gonna slip in if we do it right. We're so glad you came. Don't you bring your own libations, no. There's enough to go around. It ain't no everyday occasion when you come back into town. Woo! You can wear your black shoes. You don't need to make an excuse to, 'cause you're among family. Did you sleep this afternoon? sexy. All right, bring in that groove. Here we go. Hey, hey. Come on, Tico. All right, Gianni. Come on. The things I've held on to now suspended in the air, I can't find who I was or who I am. What is this place I'm in and how do I get back down there? Close to me, are you still here, or have I trapped myself again? Outside my shell, how will I know who to be? How will I know who to be when free doesn't feel free? Been to the bottom, turned my eyes and still felt the fear of not being enough. Been alone, surrounded by stars, became a chameleon just to stay together.